Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is just the unboxing of the new Apothecary collection from Fancy Pants Design. I am on the design team and I have received the next 4 collections that are released on fancypantsdesigns.com. I will leave it linked down below. And I am going to work with this kit first for the month of, it's March right now, and half into April since it kind of came mid-month. And then I feel like I might work with the Bloom collection. Then it's Beachside. Then I think it's called Home Cafe. I just feel like those have a very, obviously a spring, summery vibe, and then like a home cafe that can work for the months of May, June, and July. So let's me work with this one first. We're still in spring. I live in Florida, but I just thought this one was, not to say the oddball, but a little bit completely different than those 3 collections. Those kind of have similar colors, and like I said, they're more like spring and summer together. This one has a little bit more of a fall vibe to me, but we're going to challenge ourselves and we're going to work with this collection first. So it's called Apothecary, and I do like the thickers. So it's a black script with a white outline. Very simple, classic titles that we always can use. I even like one that says Fortune. It comes with a 51 piece of ephemera as well as a 99 piece of ephemera. And like usually, this one you can see is mostly like the tags. I don't even think journaling bits, but definitely like tags. Yeah, it's mostly the tags. Let's move this over real quick. So it has a very nature, flowers, mushroom, little, lizards, butterflies. The hand icon is very throughout the collection as well. The dragonflies, more butterflies, a frog. So very nature. Oh, and the snake. I don't like snakes, so we'll see if I can bypass the snake icon. But the butterflies and such, those are really fun. And then with this pack, it's the more of the icons. You can kind of see right there. It's like snakes. Ooh, let me make sure. The snake, the flowers, the little lizards. There's a hand, butterfly. There's a hand again, dragonfly, froggies, hand, mushrooms, snake, cat. The butterflies and the flowers are really pretty, actually. So here's a quick look. Here's a little cat. A lot of little bits, a lot of stars, a lot of foliage. Here's a dragonfly, the frog, a snake, flowers. Another snake, flowers, a pretty butterfly. And these are white cardstock. Interesting, little eyeball, mushrooms, there's a flower. White cardstock and a white edging. So very cute for that pack as well. So those are the 2 ephemera packs. You saw the thicker, oh, let me get all the stars. The thickers. The enamel dots, you can see those colors. So we definitely have like 3 green tones, a purple, and a like a navy or a black. Is that coming in? There you go. And then for the collection, sorry, let me move all these. So this is like the little entry card. These are the 12 by 12 stickers. So you definitely get a feel for what the collection is. You got darker colors. That's why I said it has more of a fall theme. We're going to challenge ourselves to use it here now. But I like the green tones. I will say that. So it's like a lot of green, a lot of blues, a lot of dark colors. Okay, and let me show you the papers. So move that arm out the way. So this is the first one. Let me zoom in a little bit too so I don't have to bring it up all the time. So you remember you get 2 of each sheet. So this is the front and then that's the back. A good floral. Always love a good floral. We have a butterfly, and then the back is a luscious floral. And the butterfly one too. I see myself thankful for both of them because I can cut all of these out and perhaps all of those as well. This one is really cool. I feel like I could use this one for like an art journal page by cutting out all of these. This is really cool. And then, oh, love that. What if I cut half of that off? That is really pretty. I love the yellow. Here's another great floral, and then the back is a stripe. And these are kind of mixed media. You can see some stamping in different color inks, some text, so it makes them a little bit more vintage looking. Very pretty. And then plants have secrets, listen carefully. Apothecary, unveil your knowledge, magic to me, reveal healing power of all nature for all of us. The wood wide web, fascinating, fantastical fungi. Okay, and then like a little galaxy one. This one's very cool too. And then finally, this one with all the icons. It's very symmetrical, so everything repeats. Split down the middle. And then the snakes. Okay, I'm not going to use that side. All right, so we're going to figure out some layouts to use with this and do some projects. It's an interesting collection. I haven't worked with anything like this. I really want to cut these out. I really want to cut these out. I already have ideas formulating. So stay tuned for projects using the Apothecary collection by Fancy Pants Design in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me. I will leave everything linked down below for you. Remember to use my code for a small discount off of your purchase. And until next time, everyone, bye.